Chriso. I'm about to screed this shower base. What I'm doing is DIY is you put down a bit of water first, like so. You must always stick your mud to the floor. So you pop down a bit of water, throw down some glue. It's called slurry. And it sticks your mud to the floor. Just like so. Let that water drain out. Doesn't matter how much you put down. You can wet it a bit more. And broom it around with a broom. You can do that also. But my first layer of glue that's hit the water, that's what will stick it to the floor. Then I'll put out my mud. Spread it around. So it covers all your glue. Some people like it stepping up at the door or a bit of a ramp. This owner just wanted the shower base to be stepping up and the shower floor or the bathroom floor stuck down, so it's flat. It goes down slightly to that floor waist. I'm using a 6x6 tile, so I'll lift my tiles slightly, pack a bit more glue just to bring them up flat. But I'll waterproof first. Then when I waterproof, the water will follow the waterproof and zap down the drain. See you soon.